Hello friends, welcome back to DevOps Scene. In this video, we are going to learn about policies and how to create a policy. So first of all, you can check my previous video where I have explained how to create IAM user. So here you can see this is my demo user, and now we are going to log into our AWS account using this demo user that we have created in our previous session. And in my previous session I have created two groups, but as of now I don't have any groups. You can see a number of groups 0. So now we are going to log into our AWS account using this demo. And in demo you can see here, first of all, here in permission there is only one permission, one attached policy. I am user change password. There is only one policy applied. So now we are going to log into our AWS account. So first of all, you can see here, this is my demo user credentials, username, demo, password, access key ID, secret key ID, and console login. So now we are going to use this console login to log into our AWS account. And here we are going to use this new incognito window. And here we need to paste this console login. And here after paste this console login, you can see here the account ID will automatically enter. Then name of our username is our demo, then password. So our password is here. Now click on sign in. Now here you can see it is asking me create a new password. Why? Because while we creating IAM user, we have selected option. When we log in for the first time, we need to reset password. That's why it asking me. So first of all, enter old password, then new password. If I enter new password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, then again retype 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and confirm password change. Then the message is password does not conform to the account password policy, because we need to enter strong password. That means the password will be combination of symbol, characters, and numbers. So first of all, we need to enter old password, then new password. Now confirm password change. So now you can see this is my AWS management console. You can see here. And now in left side, you can see here, we are successfully logged into AWS account using this demo user, IAM user demo. Now here I want to create EC2 instance. So search EC2. So here is the EC2. And here click on instance running. Now here I want to create instance. So now click on launch instances. And here you need to choose an AMI. So here I will choose Amazon Linux 2. Click on select. So you can see they give us error. An error occurred describing your selected AMI and you're not authorized to perform this operation. Why? Because if I go to this in my demo user, Here in policies, you can see here there is only one policy applied with IAM user change password. There is no any policy about EC2. So now we need to attach this policy in this user. So now we are going to create a group. So here is the group. Now click on create group. And enter your group name. So my group name will be EC2-permission. And if I scroll down here, you need to add your user. So my user is demo. Then scroll down, and here you need to add permission. So search EC2, and here you can see here Amazon EC2 full access. Now check it. And if I scroll down, here you can see create group. So click on it. So you can see EC2 permission user group created. Here is our user group. And here is our user groups. And in users, you can say there is only one user, demo. And now let's check. So now I'm go back. And now I'm going to create instance. So click on launch instances. And if I selected Amazon Linux 2 operating system, you can see here it's successfully selected, and I'm going to second step. So that is the group that we have created, and we are using this demo user. Now here, if I go to these policies, here is a number of policies you can see here. There is a lots of policies in AWS. Then here you can create your custom policy as well. So how to create? So first of all, we need to click on create policy. And here firstly, service, choose a service. If I click on it, that means expand it. Here search you want service, then I want to EC2 service. So here I will choose EC2. Then action, here I will choose all EC2 actions. You can select one if you want, but I want all EC2 action. That's why I will choose all EC2 actions. Then if I scroll down, here is resources. So expand it. And here I will choose all resources. Then click on import managed policy. And here search your policy. So here I will choose search EC2. And here I will choose this Amazon EC2 full access. Now click on import. Then now click on next. Now I don't want any tag, that's why I will click on next review. So here you need to enter your policy name. So my policy name is custom policy. Then description. So in my description, I have only one policy, EC2 full access. Now click on create policy. So you can see the message, the policy, custom policy has been created. So here you can see our custom policy here. So if you can see here, the AWS policies have logo. This is AWS logo. You can see here. But this custom policy, there is no any logo because this is customer managed policy. You can see here in type customer managed policy, and in AWS policy there is AWS managed, and it is customer managed policy. That's why there is no logo, and in AWS you can say there is a AWS logo. So after creating policy, first of all we need to delete our group first, then we need to add this custom policy to our user. So first of all, let's delete this group. Click on delete. So the user group deleted. Then go to the user here, and here we need to add permission. Click on add permission, and here click on attach existing policies directly, and here we will choose custom policy. If I scroll down, otherwise we will search custom. So here you can see custom policy, and then click on next. So review once and add permission. And now if I scroll down, here you can see we have two policies attached directly here. First custom policy, and second IAM user change password. It is by default, but now we have custom policy. So that is the policy, and in this video we have learned policy and how to create custom policy. So thank you for watching our video. I hope you like the video and it's helpful to you. So please like, share and subscribe our DevOps channel.